Hey Jaspreet, I'm here at your residence at 119 Baggs Crescent in Cambridge, Ontario. I'm having a look on the exterior of the home to see where the leaking might be occurring. A little trick that I like to use with shingles is a leaf blower. It tells me if there's any blow-offs occurring on the roof system. I'm just gonna carefully come up this way here. Okay, and so one thing I like to do, Jaspreet, is I don't know if you caught that, but those ridge cap shingles are a bit loose. If there's any chance for water to sit on that surface, it will. Now, I'm not saying that's going to be the primary problem. However, I do have a suspicion that it is all of your flashing here. It looks like at one point there was some work done here, and there is some buckling and some oil canning happening with the bottom piece of siding here. I'm gonna need to take some pictures of this because we might need to have this replaced, this whole section here. The problem is when water, if I can reach, water likes to sit underneath these surfaces, right? I also have a suspicion if I go up top here, careful with everything, yeah, you have, oh yeah, no, it's your J trim, 100%. That's all exposed to water. So that is 100% the reason why you're having leaking problems. It has affected your window system because there's actually water in the spacer between the two panes of glass and your thermal unit. You know, with no argon gas in that glass, if there isn't any, you have a glorified window. There's no insulator whatsoever. So I will measure everything here for you. I will quote everything accordingly, and I will talk to the guys and we'll see about having some solutions done up for you, because it's not so much your shingles. The shingles are in pretty good shape. The tar lines don't seem to be failing. I don't see any reason for there to be a shingle replacement. Maybe I'm gonna consider this top cap right up top here. We need to consider the J trim replacement. We need to consider this piece of siding, the whole length, because with siding, it gets a little complex where you have to kind of replace a few to get up to replace this one strand. So I'm gonna do a color match for you. I'm gonna do some diagnoses, and I'm gonna also do some measuring, and we'll make sure that we get everything squared up here for you here.